This is Kim from Sinomata Heavy Industrial Company, which is a leading construction machinery exporting company in China. At first, I'd like to briefly introduce it. The Sany Heavy Industrial Company Limited was established in 1994 by the investment of Sany Group. What I'm going to visit now is the Sany headquarters in Changsha. Now let me show you today's star. Many clients have asked me about it. The hot-selling 39 meters track-mounted concrete pump. It has 5 bunks. The vertical height can reach 39 meters. Horizontal operation construction in the range can up to 33 meters. The output can reach 160 cubic meters per hour. Work at the same site without moving the car eliminates the travel of pump connection pipe. The efficiency has been greatly improved. The vehicle weight reaches 27 tons. It's 11 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3.8 meters high. Compared with the old version of 39 meters concrete pump, the efficiency of this one is increased by up to 25%. The fuel consumption is reduced by up to 10%. The pump truck adopts a Hino engine with a power of 194 kilowatts, and the emission standard is Europe 5. The chassis is made by Sany. In addition to these advantages just mentioned, the pump truck is also equipped with high wear-resistant parts, including delivery pipe, discharge board, transition bushing, concrete piston, wear plate, delivery cylinder, and so on. This concludes today's Sany factory tour. If you want to know more about Chinese machinery, please contact me.